Christmas.
Is yours on?
Push it down, please, like I asked. Can you see it now?
It's on.
Thank you. We just wanted to get some pictures for Christmas of our sun blizzard.
Yeah.
It's a cold day
today.
Let's go sleighing.
Yes, sledding. Come on, Barb, you go first. We're going grass sledding. All right, I'll push you. Yeah, look how fast she's going.
This is fun.
All right.
Hey, want to take a turn?
Yeah, my turn. Let me help you out.
Thank you.
Get my scarf here. It's cold.
Dude, it's cold down here. We're pretty good.
Okay, my turn.
Yeah. Pull the sled up.
Okay, here we go.
And it's breezy. There you go.
Yeah! Oh, fast. Okay.
Very good.
Oh,
Oh, this grass sledding is so much fun. Was that an alligator? Okay. All right, let's turn off the cameras now. I think it's hot down here.
holy God.
Okay,
Strip
hot.
the stuff off.
God. All right, turn off the cameras so they don't.
Well, they see it's not really as cold as it looks.